What is it? Well, this is the process of identifying something that you want to accomplish and establishing measurable goals and timeframes. People have a long-term vision with the end in mind to achieve an overall positive outcome. This creates a short-term motivation to start the ball rolling and create the necessary steps to get there. Types of goals: personal, to improve their own life or lives of family and friends; professional, to progress or accelerate a career pathway; physical, to improve health, wellness and have a better quality of life; artistic, to learn a new skill, talent or develop a creative ability. What to focus on: reverse engineer, start from the end and work back towards the start to reduce the chance of you missing any steps. Start small, this applies to the amount and the intent. You can always go bigger the next time round. Prioritise, too many goals could conflict with each other. Ensure you know what is most important. Performance-based versus outcome-based. Well, performance goals can be controlled more, whereas outcome goals can be controlled less. Sustainability versus effort. Make sure you keep up to what you have set without the steps along the way becoming a burden. Keep a record, write down what you have done alongside what you still need to do. Monitoring progress can be a great motivator. And create accountability, to tell people about your plans. Let them know how, what, why and when, to put some pressure or healthy pressure on decisions. How to approach: specific, relating uniquely to the desired outcome; measurable, ensuring improvement or progress that can be physically measured; attainable, challenging but possible; realistic, having or showing a sensible and practical idea of what can be achieved or expected; time-phased, carried out over gradual and realistic stages. Goal setting is an essential part of all the programming I do with all of my clients. If you don't include this process in anything you do, then the desired outcome will take a lot longer to achieve, if possible at all. I'd love to know your thoughts on this. Please drop a comment below.